Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use sketch tools. We'll start by exploring the different tools available in your software, showing you how to select them efficiently. Then, we'll dive into the basics of drawing, focusing on creating fundamental shapes like lines and arcs. You'll quickly grasp the core functions, setting a strong foundation for more complex designs. This guide will make your initial steps smooth and productive. Now, let's move on to creating fundamental shapes with precision. We'll demonstrate how to draw rectangles, specifying exact width and height values, perhaps 3 inches by 5 inches. Next, you'll learn to create circles, defining their radius or diameter for perfect symmetry. We'll also cover how to apply basic constraints, ensuring your shapes remain accurate and connected as you build your design. This step is crucial for clean, professional results. Once your basic shapes are in place, it's time to refine them. We'll show you how to trim away any excess lines and extend others to meet specific points, ensuring a clean sketch. You'll also learn to add fillets and chamfers to corners, giving your designs a professional finish. Finally, we'll cover adjusting dimensions, allowing you to fine-tune every aspect of your sketch for exact measurements, perhaps a 2mm radius. This process is key to achieving your desired outcome. To take your sketching to the next level, we'll explore some advanced techniques. Learn how to efficiently mirror elements and create patterns, saving you significant time on repetitive tasks. We'll also demonstrate projecting existing geometry, which is incredibly useful for building complex designs based on previous work. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Mastering these methods will greatly enhance your design capabilities and workflow, making your projects more efficient and precise.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.